Women in the Desert Night Horror Story. The endless desert. A lone car drives through a vast desert under a full moon. Sand stretches endlessly, shifting with the cold wind. Silence dominates, broken only by the car's engine. The mysterious woman on a distant dune. A figure appears, a woman in a glowing white dress. Her stillness is unnatural. As the car approaches, the driver sees her eyes are dark, empty voids. First contact. The driver slows, rolling the window down, thinking she might need help. She tilts her head unnaturally and speaks in a hollow whisper. Are you lost? The wind carries an eerie sound, distant screams rising from the dunes. The approach. She glides toward the car. Sand beneath her rises, forming shapes like grasping hands. The car's headlights flicker. The engine dies. Panic sets in. The warning. She whispers, stay, forever. The mirrors reflect her everywhere, inside, outside, even in the night sky. Tires sink into the sand. Escape seems impossible. Aftermath. She vanishes. Silence returns. But on the dashboard, etched in dust, are the words, "You belong here now." The desert is empty, but she is still waiting.